Welcome back to Black and Co. This is the fourth series, that's series 4 of this section. Now, we want to learn how do we determine the roof slope or steepness. It's called roof slope or roof steepness. There are methods used for doing this. The first one is the rise and run method. A consultant, architect, prescribe the height of the roof in this method. You can say, for instance, look at the example right there, 6 inches in 12 inches. You can just use 6 in 12, 6 inches in 12 inches. So, which is called rise and run method. So, I'm going to treat that. The second one is to use the degrees method. Now, be given, I use so pitch, use 30 degrees. Oh, I'm okay with 15 degrees. Or use 17 degrees. So it means you are left to now determine the actual height of your king post. And the third one is the percentage method. It's the percentage method. In this video, we are going to treat the first one only, which is the rise and run method. What do we mean by rise and run method? As you can see, rise and run method. It means for every angle or pitch of a roof is calculated by the number of inches it rises vertically. For every 12 inches it extends horizontally. Here, two major things have been mentioned. Two main terms, rise and run. As you can see here, this king post is regarded as a rise. Why the half of the span? You know, the entire building, the smallest and the smaller part of the building is known as the span. So the short span rather. We have the short span and the long span. So we are referring to the short span because that's where we have to start our roof from. So the span is this. Half of the span is what is regarded as run. Half of the span is what is regarded as run. Now, the prescription now come in this method that use 6 inches in 12 inch method. Use 6 inches in 12 inch, which means it comes in rise and run method. So it means for every the first figure is for the rise, while the second is for the run. So it means for every 6 inches rise, there must be 12 inches run. And simply that means that what this is half of this, or we say 12 inches is twice 6 inches. That's the meaning. For instance, let us assume this our run is 6 meters. Let's assume this is 6 meters, and we are asked to use 6 in 12, 6 inches in 12. The meaning is that whenever we go 6 inches, 12 inches here, we'll go half of it here. So it will now mean that this 6 meters, since 12 inches is twice 6 inches, so the 6 meter, our rise will now be what? The 6 meter divided by what? 2. It will be the 6 meter divided by 2. That is just what we need. So in this case, our rise will be what? 3 meters. So it means the king post will be 3 meters high. That is what rise and run method means. It can come in various inches. It can be 2 in 12. It can be 7 in 12, 5 in 12, 12 in 12, 13 in 12, depending on the span of the building and the lights and the architectural aesthetics required. So it can be 8 in 12 and the like. So you can also try 8 in 12. In this case, you know that 8 is not half of 12. So you just need to find the what? The difference between them. For instance, 4 as well. 4 and 12. So this is not half as well, it is 1/3 of it. 1/3. So it means if this is given, if you have to use 4 in 12 for this span, it means our rise will be 1/3 of 6. 1/3 of what? 6. So which will be what? 6 inches divided 6 meters divided by 3, which will give us 2. So let us assume we want to use this, for instance. So the way we are doing this, just simply saying 6 divided by what? 12, which gives us what? 0.5. So you can just multiply 0.5 times this the one we have there. So the 0.5 times 6 give us what? 3 meters. This is what we got. The second example, 4 in 12. So 4 divided by 12 is what? Which is 1/3, which is what? 0.33. So 0.33 times 6 will give us 2 meters. And the third one, consider as simple, is 8 divided by what? 12, which will be 4 here, 2, 4 here, 3, which is same thing as what? 0.667. So 0.667 times 6 meters will give us 4. Yes, 4 meters. As you can see, it's as simple as that. So when you are given the height of a roof in this method using the rising rod, this is not the way to go about it. If you think you have gained 1 or 2 things from this series, just kindly do us one favor by what? Commenting in the comment section roof design, and also if you are yet to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to do the needful by subscribing and giving us a thumb up. Thank you.